Hi guys, today's video is about why girls they like more older and maturer guys as compared to the younger one. So for that we'll be taking public opinion. So come with me. Like these days girls, most probably girls they prefer older and maturer guys. So what's your opinion? Older or young or maturer guys are better or the younger one?
Mature guys are better than younger one because firstly matured are more sensible.
Okay.
They are settled, well settled, so we can show to our parents that they're settled. And second thing, they are very understanding also, and if they are mature they can also make us understand if we're wrong somewhere. So I guess, and adults one and the younger one is the thing, they're only in the fun mood every time, so we cannot they are never serious, so we cannot expect anything from them. So I guess mature one are better.
What about you? What do you
I
think?
think matured ones are better because I think matured ones are more romantic other than that of the younger one, and matured ones are trustworthy also because we can look up to marriage with them, and younger ones are just they are playboy types.
Yeah.
So this is my opinion. Matured ones are better.
Okay
And I'm
then.
married to a matured man only.
As I ask you, like these days, girls prefer more as compared to older guys. They prefer more mature and older guys, right?
Yeah.
So, what's your opinion about it?
I also prefer mature guys more because they are more able to handle the things, situations, etc. So I prefer the mature guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what would you say about this? Like, as you are young, and she says she preferred the mature guys and
No,
older
he's a
guys.
best friend.
So today we have this question, like girls they prefer maturer and older guys as compared to the younger ones. So what's your opinion?
Actually, I personally myself preferred an older guy and a mature one since I'm married to an older guy, like who's older to me. That's probably because boys of my age are not as mature as I am. Girls probably mature fast. So we kind of do not match that maturity level with the guys of our age group.
Okay.
So probably that's why we are more attracted to people, who's probably older than us in age, but mentally the level matches with them.
Yeah.
So I've faced this reason, so that's what I know.
Yeah, true. That's true.
That's-
And what do you think? Like, what would you prefer? You haven't got married yet.
No, no.
So what would be your preference?
I have a boyfriend who is of my age, so I will choose a person of my age only.
And why would you choose like?
Our understanding level is fine, so I don't have any problem with. I'm not facing any problem with him. So
Okay.
I will choose him, of course, of my age only.
Okay then. Thank you so much. Hi. So as you know, like today nowadays, girls they prefer like more mature and older guys as compared to the younger ones. So what do you think? What would you prefer?
I think the one who supports and cares for me is the best one. I don't think the younger and older would matter, but I would go for a younger one.
You would go for the younger one.
Yeah.
Okay. And why?
Um, I don't
Like-
know. It's like my. I like younger ones more than older ones. I think they'll be compatibility would be good than the older ones. So yeah, that's the reason.
These days, like we all know, girls they prefer instead of young guys, they like more mature and older guys. So what's your opinion? What do you think so?
Young guys are best because their mentality is more great than younger and
So you prefer like
Young
younger
guys.
guys? Okay, thank you so much. Nowadays, the girls they prefer more mature and older guys as compared to the younger ones. So what's your opinion?
I don't have any. Depends on the person.
So like what do you prefer?
What I prefer, it depends. I have very different tastes for guys and girls. So
So are you in a relationship?
I don't know. Maybe
So you what would you prefer? What would be your choice?
to be in one. I think
Okay.
I would prefer like mature guys, but I think it's not a question of age. It's
Mm-hmm.
more like it depends on the person really. You can have someone 40 years old and very immature, and someone 22 very mature. So
Okay. Yeah, okay then. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi guys, so in today's video we have spoken about why girls they like more mature and older guys as compared to the younger one, and you have got different reviews. So thanks for watching, thanks for being with us, and please like, comment and subscribe our channel down below. Thank you.